Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage battery saving settings on Aerox 3 Wireless by Steelseries. And to do this you will need to download GG software on your PC. You can find it on the Steelseries website. Now find the engine and select your mouse. Right here you'll find battery saver settings and you can adjust the sleep timer or turn it off. What it does, it will put your mouse to sleep, so it basically turns it off after this amount of time specified right here. You can adjust it with a slider and when it's idle, so when you're not using your mouse. Next is illumination dim timer. So this works the same way as above, but it won't turn off your mouse. It will only turn off illumination RGB colors on your mouse after a certain amount of time that your mouse is not being used. There's also option to enable high efficiency mode, and it extends mouse battery life with high efficiency mode automatic settings, and this will adjust the battery saving settings automatically. I'm gonna turn it off for now. And there's also option to use illumination smart mode. Illumination turns off while the mouse is moving and reappears when stationary. So that's all of the battery saving settings for this mouse. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.